we do here is go back.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy. Y'all know the hair is crazy, so I ain't gonna showing y'all my hair. It's your boy Lil Roy TV. We back with another video. You seen the intro, you seen the title. I don't know if it's the intro, wherever I put the footage. But we back. Based off the title, we got the Nike Dunk Lows, the black and white versions. I don't really know what they call them. By the time you see the title, obviously you know what I put as the title. But the black and white Nike Dunk Lows, the men's version, not the women's or the GS. But yeah, let's get right into it. This is a banger, and yeah, let's get right into it so y'all can see the shoes and y'all can see my thoughts about them and my review about them. So let's get right into it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. You already know 1K subs is an absolutely free giveaway. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment, because I will comment back to all my comments. Follow me on Instagram. I just posted some new pics. Well, a new pic on my Instagram. Forget about my Facebook, but go run up them likes and followers, whatever. Link will be in the description. Let's get right into it. I ain't trying to waste no more time. Let's get it. So, no further ado, the sneaker that I am even more in love with, right here, the Nike Dunk Low black and white. First of all, before I say anything, well, you're gonna see the thumbnail basically by the time you see this. The got them, because that's, I obviously got these on sneakers. I hit them on the draw. Thankfully, I'm blessed. Obviously, I'm sad. Let's get right into it. Basically, I'm sad because, one, these dunks are, first of all, I'm just in love. These are not my size, so I already sold this. I already sold it. It just came in the mail, and by the time you're watching this, I'm literally going to package this and ship it out to the buyer. Yeah, I already sold these, but this is so beautiful. Just how the material feels for the Dunk Low. I see why now girls are entering raffles and reservations. They're going crazy for these. These are a freaking beauty. Jeez, man. My favorite one that dropped, though, just because it's not, like, it's just, I prefer, is the blue and black ones. I definitely want those for personal. Now that I have these in my hand, man, if these were 9.5, I would have definitely kept them. Damn, these are so beautiful, man. Got the back heel, the Nike with the thread, the stitching. But that's it right there. Let's take the other one out because I just want to look at both pairs. That's the typical orange box. Whatever. Size 8. Right there. Boom. Size 8. We'll put them right there. That's the bottom. Just nothing crazy. Wow, these are freaking beauty, yo. Oh my lord. Put the shoelace back in there. Oh my god, these are freaking beauty. These are freaking beauty. Let's make the thumbnail. I gotta leave some space. I'm obviously gonna put that Gotham picture, but that's a freaking beauty. Just look at these. I know when I get a lot of shoes in person, I always say they look better in person, but these Nike Dunk Lows, man. If I didn't sell them, I probably should have took it to a convenience store and traded in a size 8 for a 9.5 and then kept it. But, wow, these are a freaking beauty. Now I really wish I got more sizes that I would have won off the draw or a different reservation, something. But, damn, these are a freaking beauty, yo. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you have any Nike Dunks that you hit on the raffle or the draw on sneakers? Do you have it for personal, or is it for resale like mine was? If it's not my size, I can't hold it. Oh, shoot. Okay. Anyways. I just made a whole mess. Forget about that. Let's just continue with the vid. Now I gotta make sure these are 100% clean. But yeah, what was I saying? Let me know in the comments what you guys think about these. Because I really want to have a discussion if you guys have these or did you not hit. I wish I did hit more. But they just look so cute. And I don't know, maybe because it's a littler size, a size 8. So maybe it's playing tricks on me. Because maybe if a 9.5, it probably won't look that good. But, yeah. These are definitely a beautiful ass shoe. So that's it for this review. I know there's not much to say, but trust me, a black and white shoe that's not a Jordan, this would have definitely been, I would have wore this shoe definitely more often than I usually wear my shoes. Because it's a black and white, can't go wrong with a black and white shoe. And then it's a Nike Dunk. So shout out to the people that got it for personal, but your boy's amount of money, so I had to sell it. And plus, it's not my size, so I could see so many stitching flaws, but whatever. But yes, leave a thumbs up, like the video. I just want to do a quick review for you guys on these. Obviously, people calling these, people don't really call it the Pandas, but you know what I mean. Black and white Nike Dunk Low, right here in the flesh. Let me know what else you guys think about the shoe. I'm running out of storage, so real quick to end the video. See you guys on the next vid. I'll probably see if I can fit in a B-roll. If not, you guys seen them in the beginning. But yeah, see you guys on the next vid. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and go follow me on Instagram. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And until next time, your boy Lil Roy is out.